Hey everybody, this is Laurie from Go Polish. Welcome to my tutorial for my Deck the Halls design that I created using all of the Essie polishes from the Winter 2019 collection. These polishes are available at beyondpolish.com. I will have a link in my description down below to that website, and I will also have a link to products that I'm using in this tutorial. For the base of my design, I used Essie Skinny Dip. It's a really nice sheer, and I just wanted to show you guys how I created this base. So you want to have a fast dry top coat, a shiny one, and then a matte top coat as well. Matte top coats tend to not last as long as the other top coats, so you want to put that as a base and then the matte coat on top so that it's going to give you longer wear for that manicure. I've already added 3 coats of Skinny Dip to all my nails, and I'm going to let that dry adequately, and then I'm going to come in with that fast dry top coat. I'm using Glisten and Glow, and then I'm going to come in after that once that has dried with the matte top coat. And you just want to make sure you're covering all the areas of the nail so there's no shiny spots peeking through. And once that dries down, you're going to get that nice matte look, and it's such a good base for these glitter polishes. And now I'm going to put some of Essie Licorice on my silicone mat. I'm going to come in with my striping brush, and I'm going to get an adequate amount of paint on my brush and then wipe a little bit off to get a really straight line. It helps to have your striping brush a little bit parallel to your nail and following that as a guide, and just repeat that process until you get all the lines that you need for your design. So now I'm going to come in with my polka dots. So I'm going to use this dotting tool and just do one larger one here, and then I'm going to do a few different smaller ones on the top and the bottom, and just spread them out evenly, and you can do them different for each line on different nails. And I'm going to let those dry until I come back in with my fun glitter polishes. So just start with one glitter polish, and you're going to just dab in the center of each dot. You want to make sure that you want to have that nice black ring around each design though. So I'm coming in and just doing each color on each nail just so it has a good variety throughout the whole hand. And I'm coming in with the silver, and then I'm going to come in next with the red. I've already done a little bit of the green, as you can see. So just add those until you're happy with the look. I did have to come back on a few of them and just do a little bit of a second coat, mostly because I wanted some of those glitter pieces to sit on top so it had that nice shine. If you do come in with a second coat, make sure it is dried completely before you go in. I did notice that some of these glitter polishes do take a little bit of time to dry. And that's it for the tutorial. You're not going to add a top coat because you want to have that matte finish. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Remember, you can get those polishes at beyondpolish.com, and I will see you next time. Bye!